Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dream channel. Now I'm going to tell you about LG 270 liters direct cool single door 4-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 270 liters, compressor type smart inverter compressor, performance 4-star for energy saving up to 45%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit and owner manual. Type single door refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Defrosting type direct cool. Number of doors 1. Warranty 1 year on refrigerator unit and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 25,970 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dream channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.